Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I will teach you Hive and Hadoop command, and I am working on Dataproc. In last video I told you what is Dataproc and how we will create cluster on that, and this is our normal terminal, how we are using Linux, like that only we have to use. So here I will write ls, and in ls we will get our some files and directories. So here I got war and peace.txt and some file and directories. So war and peace is our data set, and war and peace is novel. We have taken one novel to write some query for that, and I will show you how it look like. So this is my novel, and this novel I guess 65,000 word is there, but we'll write a query for that and we will get to know how many word is there in this novel. So we have to write ls for Hadoop because we have to work Hive top of Hadoop. So first we have to import our data in Hadoop. So we'll see our data set is there or not. For Hadoop we have query hdfs dfs/ls. So we don't have data in our Hadoop, so first we'll import our data. For that we have query ldfs dfs, copy from local and path name. Enter. So I have written wrong spelling, because of that I got error. Yeah, it's executed. When you want to see your previous command, then you use upward arrow and downward arrow. Okay, and if you don't know your part name, then you write pwd, then you will get your part name. So this is my part name. If I am working on local, then I will write home, and if I am working on Hadoop, then I will write user. Instead of home I will write user. So we'll check it once our war and peace data is copied in Hadoop or not. So it's copied, and you can see here date, time, everything. So we'll go in Hive now. I am creating one duplicate session, and here I have to write Hive. Enter. So Hive will work on top of Hadoop, and Hive is like SQL only, like how we are writing query for SQL, like that only. Hive is like Hive query language, HQL. So if you know SQL, then you can understand Hive query easily. So now we are on Hive, and like basic command is there. So data is this is the basic command we used in SQL also. So this much data set is available in my Hive. If I want to drop some database, then I have to write drop database and database name. So new I will drop. So new. If I get OK message, means my code run. So again we will see our database. So database, see here you are not getting new because you dropped your database. So now we will create one table. First we will create one database. So we'll create database create database and database name. So I will write new only. So my database created. So I got OK message here. We'll see once. Here I got my output, and I have created new. So now we have to use new database. So use new. I got OK message, means code executed. Now I will create table. So here I am. Here my table name is piece, and already I showed you my this data. In this data we didn't specify any column, so we can specify here. We have only one column, that is word and string, and what data type should be in a string only. Enter. So here I got my message OK, means my command run. So we'll describe our table. Describe piece. Describe piece. So when you will write describe piece, then you will get your command column name. So here I had only one column, that is word and a string. So I got only one rows, that is one word and a string. If I do describe formatted piece, then I will get this output. In this, it will specify column name, data types, database, honor type, honor name, date, time, where it's storing, that location, and everything you will get. So previous command I used, describe formatted. So now we have to work on war and peace data. So now we have to import that data. So already I have written in my Word file, because when I will write everything, then it will take more time. So when you are copying anything, then please copy before the semicolon. If you copy that semicolon also, then it will execute your command, and that time you cannot edit. So here I am using load data in part. That part name is war and peace.txt file in my table name. So my table name is peace, then semicolon. So my data is loaded successfully. So I got OK message. We'll see. Select star from table. This is very basic command we are using in SQL. Select star from table, table name. So if you are writing anything in a Hive, first write in Notepad, then only you run your command. Then you will not get any error and all. So I got my output. See my novel it is, and I got 65,007 rows. So that much word is available in my dataset. So previously I have created table, like it is like a basic table, create table piece. So we are using in SQL also same thing, but I will show you how you will write table in different manners. And here you are getting line by line, so you cannot understand, okay, everything is in line. So you want to in one word. For that we have some different command. We'll go through that command now, but we will not drop our table. For if you want to drop this table, then you have command like drop table name. That's all you have to do. Once again I will create one more table. So my previous table was piece, and now I will create table with var. So one disadvantage in Hive, if you are copying something and if you are pasting and that query is very long, then it will go in second line and you can't go like up query, you can't edit. So what I will do, I will open my notepad. Here I will paste my query and here I will change. So already I have created piece table, so here I will create one more table, that is var. That's all. One second. So I will copy this query. Now semicolon, enter. So I got some error. What error I got? See here why it's failed. It's showing because that n I have written, I didn't like close with the single quote. So I will check it. Yeah, I didn't close it with single quote, so I got error. So now I got OK message. So this table also created. We'll see. Select start from for. Sorry, how we will see any output for this, because we didn't load till now, only we created. So once again we have to go in Hadoop, because we copied this var and paste, and we already loaded in Hive, and that table we had created piece in that we had loaded. Now again we are creating one more table, so for that we need our data. If you do this ls for SDFS, you will not get here. So again you have to copy from your local, then only you can import that data in your Hive. So already I have written that query, same thing. I will execute this query now. If I do ls command, so var and piece is here right now. So again we have to import. So here we have to change our table name. So load data in part, that part name into table and table name. That's all. Enter. Again I got OK message. It means our query executed successfully. We'll do select star from table name, that is var. So in this your map reduce, job tracker, task tracker, everything is running between, because in one system we are working on everything. So in one system only it is executing everything. So I got my output. So this output you can understand it because everything is in single line. And same thing only, 65,007 rows. So what was the query? I will show you. Query is like, it's normal only, create table var, word string, row format, delimited, fields terminated by space. So here we are giving a space for that. So this output we can understand it, and we'll drop our previous table. So our previous table was piece. So we'll try it. Drop command, drop table piece. So now it's successful. We'll check it. So table, sorry, not so table, so tables. So only one table is showing, that is var, because I dropped that piece table. So now we have only one table, that is var table, and we will write some query for that. When you're copying any query, before semicolon you copy it, because if you are using, see here one more. So if you're copying anything from your, so we will execute some query for my piece table. So I will copy this query. I will go in notepad. I guess I closed my notepad. Once again I will open it. And here I have to change my table name. My table name is var, and will execute this query. See, I got my output. I will show what was my query. My query was like, select upper word, count as count from var, group by word, sort by count, and descending. So whatever word is in capital letter, that word will print, and it will sort in descending order. So down we are getting 1 1 1, because like highest descending means greater to smaller. So and everything have like that count. Yeah, yeah. So our whatever capital in capital letter word is available in my novel, that I extract it with my disk query, and we have some 12,499 rows. Now we will go through in different query. So here I will paste it. Here I have to change my table name. That's all. And yeah, copy. I will paste here. So like I will explain this query now. It will find lower, means whatever written in a small letter, that it will find, and after that substring I have used, and that word should be start with W and it end should be W. Like starting is 1, so here 1 is 1, it means like 1 is a start and 1 means a stop. So any letter start with W and that W is in a small letter, that and that output I will get, and after that I have done group by word having count greater than 50. So whatever word I am getting with W, that more than 50, like it is used in novel more than 50, then I will get some output. So we'll enter. So I got some 10 rows. See here I got face 10 rows. So see I have written descending. So highest word is like width and lowest is when. Once again, sorry, once again I will copy my this query, but I will change something in this and I will write 2. Didn't copy properly. Enter. So here what I have changed, greater than 2 I have written. So we'll see our output now. See, I got 109 rows, and see lowest is 3 here, and highest is again with 368 word. We'll go for our second query. This is very simple query. Everyone knows this query now. This limit thing. But once again, I will run this query. We'll see what output we will get. I guess it's here. I have to change my table name. My table name is for. So it's depend on you how much limit you are putting, 10, 20, 30, 40. So here I got my output, and in my novel we have lots of space also, so I am getting that space is also getting a space also. A space should be count in my novel. That's all. And so I will drop this table, drop table var. Okay, since that table is deleted from my database, now I will drop my database also. Database name is new, so drop database. Okay, my database is also deleted now, and we'll write exit. So once again we came on our Linux terminal and Hadoop terminal. We'll write AFS DFS ls. So we will not get that data here because that data is on Hive, and after writing every query I have deleted that database, so it is deleted from Hadoop also and Hive also. And once again, if you want to copy, then you have that command, that copy thing, copy from local, that you can use it. Thank you. That's all.